Tori.
And I'm Allie.
Welcome to our video channel. Hey.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, we actually have to think about something to talk about. The fact that we are waiting for people to get here.
I hate waiting.
I know. Okay, so you decided to steal my pterodactyl noise.
I can't do it though. Okay. What am I going to talk about?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, how special are we?
Okay. So?
Can't even think of anything to talk about. The fact that we just made Sob's bucket list.
Yeah.
She has a couple things on there.
It smells like what?
Smoke.
I just smoked before I came here.
Whoa! Smoking kills.
I'm kidding. Okay, we need to actually think of something to talk about. Okay, I actually think. How do these people come up with topics?
I don't know. Oh, there's a flop. Whoa, look.
Where?
There wasn't one.
We need to think of a good...
I'm trying to think of a topic.
Your birthday party.
Oh!
Okay.
So... What am I going to do?
Okay, basically, we're planning our birthdays together because I'm turning 19 and she's turning 18. And they're like 4 days after each other. So we're going to have like a beer pong tournament. And everyone's going to be a different country.
Try Canada.
Shot of Japan. So I can just stick a
Are you gonna
red...
tape your eye?
Yeah. And wear a big red dot.
People are gonna mistake you for a period.
That's okay.
Ew. Sorry. I'm going to go out for dinner. And then...
Wait, we're going out for dinner too?
Yeah, before with the girls.
Sick! And then we're going to have a party?
Yeah. And then have a party.
A party for two. Okay, yeah, so you can tell that we're really excited about this party.
Yes. I'm just waiting for someone.
I can't wait anymore.
I've never met them. I'm waiting
Oh
for
yeah, we're going tobogganing.
I'm waiting for someone I've never met before.
She was gonna be like a Swedish intern. I mean,
Exchange
student.
That doesn't mean we'll go out a bit like for an hour, so yeah, we're gonna
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, basically that's our birthday party, and I had nuggets. Not
Do I
too
look
long ago.
18? I think I look older.
You don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
No, I think I do though.
You're boiling.
I'm always so hot, girl. I'm just so hot.
You on fire?
Ooh. Look.
Okay, so yeah, that was our video, kind of pointless, but okay.
Yeah.